In this video, we will go over the steps to create a course in the Missouri Coalition of Children's Agencies Medication Certification System. Your first step is to go to the website for your specific organization in LMS Checkout. You need to open up a web browser. I am going to be using Google Chrome for this demonstration. And you're going to want to type the website address for your organization or URL for your organization's LMS checkout site in the address bar up here of your browser. The URL will be some kind of organization code which you have been assigned, .lmscheckout.com. For the purposes of this video, I will use the MECA site for demonstration purposes. So it's meca.lmscheckout.com for this purpose, but your organization will be a different code. I've taken the liberty of logging in as a nurse administrator to this site. And I will click to the admin panel link to access the admin panel. Our first step is to go to the menu item called Manage Courses here in the blue bar. And then click Live Classes here in the black menu bar. To start a new class, we will click the New Class button. The first step is to choose a class name. We will click the Choose from Library button. We will not type anything in the class name text box. We will click the Choose from Library button only. You should see a list similar to this one. You will want to select the one that is the organization name for your assigned organization. Purposes of this demonstration, it's just the Med Cert template, but for you it will say something like Bob's Home for Children, and you'll click Select next to your organization name. We will then scroll down to these other options. First one I'll call attention to is the class ID. You'll want to type in one of two things, either the word renewal or the word initial. This will tell MECA staff whether the class you're about to teach is for initial students or renewal students. Again, initial students have to take the full 2-day course and online exam. Renewal students only have to take a shorter course and demonstrate competencies. Both student types have to demonstrate competencies at the end to be certified. So you want to type initial or renewal here. For time zone, you want to select Central Time. You do want to enter whatever start date and time you're going to be holding your class. This is basically record keeping here. You will want the checkbox next to the words active class to be checked. Finally, on this form, there is a drop-down called Assign Certificate. Please set that to MECA Certificate Final. Everything else on step 1 of the class creation form can be left blank. Click Next. For location name, you can type in whatever you like. Type is always going to be face-to-face. Click Next to move to step 3 of the form. Here you'll type your instructor's name, the instructor's email address, Save Instructor and Notify Instructor are checked, and click Next. Step 4, the only thing we make sure is that send mail to instructor is checked. This will notify the instructor that they have created a class. We click Save and Exit. You will notice that in this default page, which is the same page we get if we click Manage Courses and Live Classes again, the class that we just created appears in this list.